Something big is changing at the very core of the internet. It's a real battle for its future.
The internet's foundation is over 40 years old. So, is it starting to crack?
Okay, so this is TCP. It's been the reliable workhorse of the web for, well, pretty much forever.
Think of it like this. It's a mail carrier that makes sure every single piece of a puzzle arrives in order. But the way we use the internet now, streaming, mobile, is really starting to show TCP's age.
It's called head-of-line blocking. Basically, a single-lane traffic jam where one slow car holds up everybody. Plus, TCP's connection setup is slow. This whole three-way handshake thing adds a ton of lag.
And it's super fragile. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular? Yep, you have to start all over again.
So, what's the fix? Well, meet Quick, a new protocol that just does things differently.
See, Quick is built on UDP. If TCP is like reliable FedEx, UDP is tying a note to a balloon and hoping for the best.
And here's the real kicker. TCP is stuck in the OS, but Quick lives right inside the app. So Quick gets rid of that traffic jam by creating multiple lanes. One lost packet won't stop the show.
It also uses something called connection IDs, so your connection literally follows you between networks, no interruptions.
Connections are way faster too. For returning visitors, it often takes, get this, 0 round trips. But this isn't just about speed. No, this is a fundamental shift in who controls innovation. Basically, power moves from the slow-moving OS right into the hands of the apps themselves. So instead of waiting years for updates, apps can now push their own improvements, like instantly. And this is happening right now. Quick is the foundation for HTTP/3, the web's next big upgrade. Adoption is already taking off. All the big web servers like Nginx and Caddy are on board. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are still hurdles with things like library support and networks. Which leaves us with a pretty wild thought. What happens when every single app gets to write its own rules for the internet?